Hi there. Let's take a look at DOGE. I'll show you the Wyckoff market structure, then the short-term setup, so you know how market momentum is shifting. This is education content only, not financial advice. From a Wyckoff perspective, Dogecoin is currently in the testing stage of the accumulation cycle. Typically, it's a range-bound, but this time, this bull market is dragging everybody down to a very low level compared to 2002 to 2004 accumulation cycle. So you see, back then, it went all the way to the green key level of 0.0484. We are not there yet. And one thing we can compare is when Bitcoin fell to the bottom back in 2022, where was Doge? Actually, Doge bottomed before Bitcoin dropped to the lowest point. All right, that was back in 2022. And, in earlier history, in 2018, when Bitcoin bottomed, Dogecoin followed. So they were in sync one time and out of sync the other time. So this time, if Bitcoin really hasn't fallen to the lowest point yet, be cautious. Dogecoin may once again come back to test the previous level where the 2002 accumulation cycle tested multiple rounds, okay, between the green key level and the light blue key level of 6 cents 25. The next stage of accumulation we would like to see is something we call sign of strength, okay, meaning volume coming back to re-challenge the prior automatic rally level. All right. Now, daily chart. The short-term trend, the descending trend, is still continuing. This short-term support of 7 cents is still being strongly tested. The volume is staying quite low, so it may be a relatively positive sign in the short term because the bears aren't hammering very hard, or there aren't any paper hands really selling. So we're still looking towards the date of August 16th that we talked about last time. When the price continues to stay above this support line, it is going to trade towards this triangle. And whenever a price is gapped towards this triangle, only one of the two C's can happen. The first C is continuation with the trend, meaning it is going to break the support and seek lower support, which is the 6 cents 25 we talked about just now. Or it is going to change the second C. That's change, breaking the ceiling and come up to challenge the upper resistance of 7 cents 44. Last time we also looked at the Bollinger Band corner squeeze. The squeeze is still happening. So a bigger price move is brewing. Okay, when it is going to take the move, nobody knows, unfortunately. But this is the closest indication we could get. When we get closer to the middle of the month, that's probably the time we see a bigger price win. Sometimes it happens sooner, but we know we're getting closer and closer to that point. You can see this video 2 days earlier being a channel member. See you in the next one. Thank you.